Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I straightened my locks for the first time since I've been locked in 5 years. So, for those of you who are interested to see how I got this look, stay tuned because you're in the right place. I'm gonna show you. Let me turn around, feel myself. Straight already. I don't know how much more straighter it can get or the difference that it's gonna look, but we're gonna try it and see. I'm gonna section this piece off, so I'm just gonna twist it. Alright, so the first part is clipping the hair up. I bought this heat protectant. Never used it before. We're going to start with the first row. I am going to spray it. This is my halfway check-in. It's laying flatter. After I finish straightening, put a little bit of this in my hair because I realized I don't have any oil. So I just rubbed it through my hair. This is what it's looking like. Not bad. So I'm gonna continue with the front. Now for me, you know, like in your straight hair, you just go down one time and it'll be all nice and crisp and straight. I'm not finding that with the Locs, obviously. So I go down once and then I come back to the ends and I just kind of, so it has that straight. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, if I'm going to leave it just straight or if I'm going to try to curl the ends. Would I do this again? I don't think so. I don't feel like I've missed out on anything by not straightening my locks. I don't know if it really makes a difference than what you saw just a while ago. I am in a dilemma. I'm a curl girl. If anybody follows me, I like curls. My daughter has this thing. Now I don't know if this is gonna work. I would be lying if I said that I wasn't struggling. I've tried the curling wand, I don't know how to use it, so I took it off. Then I tried the flat iron to give these just a slight curl, and it's not really working. So now I sprayed my ends with some Spritz spray, and I'm trying curlers. I'm so impatient. You know, I used some Spritz spray. It really, okay. You know what? At least it kept the curl. Who knows if it's gonna actually stay like that for the rest of the day. Got some kind of big curls coming on. Now I'm thinking, should I do the back? By the time I finger comb through these, it's probably all gonna flop. Let me speak positivity into the air. Oh. That's actually a cute one. It's pretty cute. I just can't do straight, right? I just have to get curls. these little short ones. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling. How do you guys like it? Whatever. I did end up putting curlers in the back. It's been in for roughly about 2 hours. Please, please turn out, turn out. Honestly, even if it just gives me like a little curl like this, I will be happy. I'm nervous. Okay, that's a good start. Let's take a look. I think that's it. So thanks again for watching if you made it this far. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share my channel, comment, like, share, subscribe.